we're seeing this kind of stuff with vibe coding, and we saw this back 30 years ago with rapid application development, people getting things up and running. It's basically doing it wrong 100 times before you do it wrong finally. And this is kind of similar thing, even though it's way impressive. I understand why people are moving toward this. It's impressive stuff. Everything with generative AI that when you use it and you see it, it seems magical to you. However, the outcome needs to be considered and the risks need to be weighed. Is that what we're missing here and what we need to look at?
Yeah, I had the opportunity last year to work with a client, um, very forward organization, application developers, and they insisted on SBOMs. And I was like, why are you insisting on an SBOM? And in case you guys don't know, it's a software bill of materials, right? And their thing was that security had to, these guys, again, very advanced. So it was a pleasure working with them. Security had to approve every developer's code that was going to get pushed, right? For some of the reasons that Dave just mentioned. Was it optimized? Was it secure, right? Was it optimized architecturally? Are we going to end up with a $10,000 bill when it's supposed to be $100, right? Was it, and is it secure? And there's some vendors that are doing work in this area that I think if you're opening the vibe coding kimono, you might want to get a hold of. Sneak, men.io, they're formerly known as White Source, Veracode, Black Duck, OX Security. These are guys that are going to do these SBOMs for you. They're going to provide comprehensive solutions for securing code. You have to think about the open source dependencies, right? You have to think about those things. Other players in the space are going to be Anchor, JFrog, X-Ray, and even Checkmark. So if your guys and gals are doing this vibe coding and you want to make sure that it's going to be a productive endeavor for the firm, think about an SBOM.